Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and initial impressions on the Rimowa Original cabin-sized carry-on suitcase. That's a lot of words. But so basically, a little bit of a backstory. So for the past couple of years, I've just been, whenever I travel, I just go to Marshall's or one of those stores, pick up a cheap carry-on for like $50 or $60. And on a recent trip to New York City, I was rolling my carry-on and one of the wheels came off, and then I was just stuck in the city having to sort of, carry the suitcase on the subway and, all that stuff. So that sort of got me, interested in spending a little bit more money, in this case, a lot more money on a new carry-on. But I figured, I've seen Rimowas, in the airports and things like that, and they are very attractive, and I was sort of interested, but I couldn't always just justify it's $1,150 for the original in aluminum for the carry-on. So anyways, let's get started. So it came like this. I bought this one from Neiman Marcus, and I paid, extra for rushed shipping and all that stuff. So it was basically like $1,250 almost. And as you can see, the box did not fare well. So it's got me a little bit as you can see, it's sort of like half open, the tag is sticking out. So I'm just gonna open this and see how it looks. So as you can see, there's some tissue around it. We've got the shipping invoice, and here it is. Let's see, I think everything else is going to see if sorry about all the ruffling, but all right, so that's all it is. It just came just like this with the shipping receipt, and here it is. So this is actually the first time I'm checking this out. It's definitely shinier than I thought it was going to be, but holy cow, is that smooth. You can just see it sort of rolling away. There's already scuffs on it, which I wasn't expecting for a brand new item. So there's some scuffs over here and some over here. There's just the tag for it. All right, so I might actually be returning this one because this is, you don't want to see like scuffs on a $1,200 item as soon as you're opening it. So okay, but initial thoughts, wow, this is so easy to sort of roll. And these are magnetic on both sides, and there's actually a little bump stop right over here, which is really all right. That's very sturdy. So it goes up to about, that goes really high. I think this is more comfortable, just roll it around. Wow, this is like extremely smooth. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's sort of open it up and see what's inside. All right. Let's go. Does it go this way? I guess it goes this way. So part of the allure of Rimowa is also the fact that at least the aluminum one, it's supposed to get all dinged up over time, and it's, it has its own like sort of personality. It's supposed to tell a story about your travels. You can get a bunch of stickers for them and things like that. So let's see what's inside. All right, so there's a dust bag, which is pretty cool. All right, and then what else? I guess that's just a tag. Yeah, this side. Alright, so there's these Velcro tabs that you can use to basically probably put on top of your clothes for compression. And there's a zipper. There's a little booklet in here. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so it says owner's manual and accessories. So I guess you don't really need an owner's manual, I imagine, for a suitcase, but still cool. I guess it's in a bunch of different languages. You can probably tells you how to care for it and things like that. And this is the guarantee. So Rimowa's come with a 5-year guarantee. It's an international guarantee or warranty. If the the wheels break or the locks break or something like that, and you have to have it repaired while you're traveling, I believe you just take it to any Rimowa store and they'll honor the warranty and you can get it taken care of. All right, let's pull out the accessories side. All right, so there's a luggage tag, leather. That's nice. And sticker, which is also pretty cool. I think Rimowa sells stickers that are really expensive. I think they're like $40 or $50 for a bunch of sticker sets that you can put on the outside. If I were to do that, I probably wouldn't go Rimowa. I would just get any stickers that I like while I'm traveling and put those in. All right, so let's take a look at the other side. All right, there's nothing. But this is sort of neat though, I think, for compression, right? Just so everything sort of stays fit. And you have the zipper lining over here. And this is Velcro, so just put that in like that. This just tells where it's made, so it's made in Canada for Rimowa North America. Wow, these locks are also very sturdy. I must say. Okay. Overall, I think this is probably about like 10 or 11 pounds. Very heavy, but given its aluminum and things, it's not bad. Yeah, overall, I think it's a really nice suitcase. I am a little disappointed that it's already scuffed up. Really wasn't expecting that. So I'll probably, I think personally, probably gonna go return this and exchange it for a new one. Because if there are gonna be scuffs and scratches and things, they should be for my use. But yeah, so those are my first impressions. But I am like, just look at this. It's just so easy to roll. I like it a lot. So anyways, guys, those are my first impressions on the Rimowa Original Cabin style carry-on. Also forgot to mention that these locks are TSA approved. So the TSA have special keys that they can put in here, and it'll unlock the suitcase if they need to go through it if it's checked. But something like this size, you're probably not going to be checking it a lot anyways. But to conclude, so this is it's just my first impressions. I'm going on a couple trips in the near future, so I will definitely be using the suitcase and I'll report back to you guys. But thanks for watching. I hope this video is informative. Please like, comment any questions that you may have. I'll try to get back to all of them. And please subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Until next time, take care.